first 50 Mark 1A Sea Hurricanes were converted ex-RAF Hurricane 1s, and they began to equip 880 Squadron of the Fleet Air Arm from February 1941. More than 30 merchantman vessels were catapult equipped, but it was a risky business for the Hurricane pilots because those ships had no flight decks and they were operating far from land. A year later came Operation Pedestal, the protection of a vital supply convoy destined for the beleaguered Mediterranean island of Malta.